Hello and welcome to another coding exercise. So let's try some more coding exercises using logical operator. So we would like to see if someone can watch a movie or not. And the rules for watching a movie here is that either the person should be above 13 years old or the person is accompanied with an adult if the age is not above 13. So to do that, we initialize an integer called age and we initialize a boolean with adult. So the boolean can only take two values if you remember, 0 or 1. So we ask the user to enter their age and also mention that if they are being accompanied by an adult, 1 for yes and 0 for no. And the result is stored in with adult boolean using scene function. Then simply we here check the condition using OR logical operator. So in the OR logical operator, if you remember correctly, either of the conditions should be correct, not both of them necessarily. If both of them are correct, it's okay. But if one of them is correct, it's still okay and it enters the condition and reads the statement in the condition. So here it says that are you are you 13 or above, or are you being accompanied by an adult? If either of these two conditions are correct, then you can watch the movie. Otherwise, you cannot watch the movie. So what would be the option that is otherwise? The otherwise would be the option like you are below 13 and you're not accompanied by an adult. So let's try and see how it works. I would say the age is 20. Are you being accompanied by an adult? No, I'm not. So you can watch the movie. So here is it. Here it is. So the age is 20. So 20 is larger than 30. The first condition is met. And are you being accompanied by another adult? No, I said 0. And the second condition is not met. But because this is the OR logical operator, one of the conditions only is okay to be met. So it enters and says that, okay, you can watch the movie. But here, if it was and logical operator, it was not allowing me to go and watch movie if not both of the conditions are met. So let's try another one. So I would say I am 10. Are you accompanied by an adult? I would say yes. It says you can watch the movie. So I am not older than 13. However, I am being accompanied by an adult. So the first condition is not met, but the second condition is met. Therefore, we enter here. So let's try another one. I would say, how old are you? I would say 8. Are you accompanied by an adult? I would say no. You cannot watch the movie. Why? Because neither the first condition nor the second conditions are met. So this is why it skips this part and then goes to the else part and says that you cannot watch the movie.